Hi. So I'm Avery from Avery Avave, and I have my guest.
I am Autumn from a YouTube channel called Playing Sports. So if you want to go check me out, part 1 of this.
Yep, part 1 of this blindfold taste test
Is on my channel.
It's on her channel. And if you haven't already seen it, go check it out after this video.
Okay. Because this is part 2.
I have a snack here.
So I'll be doing her talking.
Okay, so I have a snack here just in case I don't like what she gives me.
And basically it's a blindfold taste test, so you should all know what that is. Put the blindfold on. I give her foods. You have to try to know guess what they are. So,
I can't see.
I'm gonna keep that on her. I'm gonna go get first number 1 food. Make sure you take some of your crackers.
Sorry for the chewing noises.
So this is something on a fork, and hopefully you know what this is. Wait, let me okay. Hopefully you know what that is. Okay, can I just open your mouth up wide? See that?
Melon. Orange melon.
Yep. That was orange melon. Now you keep the recording. Take the fork.
Cold.
Yes. It was in the fridge.
It's like freezing.
Now next food. Hopefully you know what these are. Like this, like that, yeah. I'm going to give you 2 of them because I think you like them. I don't know.
Pretzel fishy crackers?
Yep. Ding, ding, ding.
I knew they were pretzels, but I realized that we don't have any, like, real pretzels in our house. We only have pretzel fishy crackers.
So I got this in a box. I'll just So, let me know.
Please don't be raisins.
These are what they called. It says on the box. Open these. I like these.
Put them in my hand.
Eat them.
Raisins.
Yes.
Is that it?
Yeah, those are the 3 foods.
So I got all 3 right. And Autumn, how many did you get right?
All of them except for that Neste one. That was, yeah.
So, okay. So, thumbs up this video, and if you're not a part of our subscriber family yet, subscribe, please. Pretty, please.
To me too.
Also subscribe to Playing Sports. Sorry, I'm eating. Need you.
So,
Bye!
bye.
See you next time on Avery Avey.